Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how you can start your own clean eating diet plan easily. So if you want some guidance on how to get started with your new lifestyle change, stick around. A clean eating plan means that you look at the options available for you to eat and you choose the one that's the most natural. All of the foods that you buy in cans, bags, and in the frozen section of your grocery store started out in their natural state. The reason that a lot of shoppers buy these processed foods is for the sake of convenience. But when you weigh this convenience against being healthier, then it really is no contest. It might take you a little bit more time to prepare foods that are in their natural state, but it's better for you physically and even emotionally in the long run. It's better emotionally because there's a link between processed foods and depression, just like there's a link between sugar-laden foods and addictive behavior. Choosing foods in their natural state for your eating plan means picking the apple over the applesauce. But if you have a choice between an apple turnover or applesauce, then you would take the applesauce because it's the least processed. If you had the choice between an orange juice or orange soda, then you would choose the orange. If that option wasn't available, then you go with the next natural choice. If you need to eat fruit and the only option was in a can, then you would choose the fruit that was packed in water or in light syrup over heavy syrup. When it comes to buying lunch meat, if you have to have that, then you would choose meat from the meat counter first. If that wasn't an option, then it's healthier to pick up deli lunch meat rather than buying the processed kind that's already packaged. When buying meats, look for ones that are grass-fed over grain-fed. Make bagged, frozen meats your last choice. In the dairy department, buy low-fat milk and yogurt that doesn't have any flavorings. The flavorings are additives that aren't healthy. If you need bread, always go with a whole grain first. Make white bread your last option because it's packed with additives and is the least healthy. Choose natural peanut butter over any other kind for your clean eating plan. Think of your clean eating plan as direct from nature to your plate. If you can pick whole foods such as fruits or vegetables, wash them and eat them, that's the best choice. If you need it cooked, then you would steam it or stir-fry it over frying it or deep frying it. But if you had to do something other than steaming it, to avoid the worst option of frying it, you would bake the food. That concludes today's video. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, please subscribe and like and hit the notifications bell below. See you soon for another video.